Welcome back everyone to the channel. I've gone ahead and I've started the interior, and I've painted up the front seats. I don't know if you can see them or not. But we have them painted yellow, and there's a lot of detail right in the center here. I'm going to go ahead and tape that off because I want these seats to be two-tone black and yellow. Same way with the inner door panels. I'm going to tape off the top here. I'm going to tape off the bottom. And then this center section is going to be black. We're going to detail out the rest of it. I missed, as you saw me paint. I don't know if you saw it, if I recorded it or if I just showed it afterwards. But I painted the first part of the roll cage. Still got to do the fire extinguisher and do the roll bar padding. But I missed these. They're the supports that go toward where the back seat would be. We're using this interior, but we don't need to have a back seat in there. Since we started this, I put in an order with MCV Products. I bought a pre-wired distributor from Matthew, and I bought a couple of other distributors from him. Came through. He sent me a set of carburetors that I didn't order. I appreciate that. Thank you, Matthew. Thank you, MCV Products. And I also got a sticker. So looks like MCV Products is going to win the prize for the first sticker on my wall there. I say wall until I can get a dedicated shop and I'm not sitting at my kitchen table. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to get off the camera, get those all taped out, and then we'll get everything painted out. The rest of the interior, I believe, is going to be black. The steering wheel, the dash, the tub itself. We'll get that taken care of right now. Alright, so we're back. We were able to get this sprayed. This looks really good too, underneath there. That's pretty nice. I like that. We got the steering wheel done. I always want to go to the left of the camera or the right. Top of the dash, front of the dash, steering column. We got our sides done. See how we did. Never done this before, so I wanted to do it on camera so you all could experience it with me as we go. You know, nice. That's bright. That's gonna look good. That is gonna look good. We'll do the other. That's going to sit in there sort of like that. Yeah, I missed a few spots, but I feel like that came out pretty good. First time I've ever done it like that. Put you right there.